This video says you don't need to be on meds for ADHD, just fix your nutrition. Let me start with what's right in this code. Lifestyle changes is so important when balancing ADHD. Some people might do fine with no meds at all, but nutrition is not the only fix for ADHD. So what's wrong in this video? You need stimulants to help with ADHD. This is evidence-based and life-changing for many. Suggesting dietary changes alone is not enough to help people with ADHD. If you have ADHD, you really need to be on meds. It's not either nutrition or meds, it's often both. This is where things get dangerous. Medications are not the enemy, they are tools. Telling people to ditch your meds without medical guidance, that's reckless. It's okay if this topic sparks a debate. We want to talk more about it. ADHD is complex. Food and diet can matter, but so do science, real-life experience, and personal care. We need a combination of behavioral therapy and medications. Every child is different. Follow eHealthyinfo for science-backed tips. We got you.